In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members from your Asana organization. Whether you're streamlining your team or simply managing changes, it's important to know how to efficiently adjust your project settings in Asana. So let's get started and walk through this process together. First, when you're within your desired project in Asana, you'll need to navigate to a couple of specific areas. At the top right corner of your Asana project interface, you'll notice a button labeled Share. This button is an essential part of managing who has access to your projects. It's where you can go to see everyone currently involved in your project and where you'll eventually be able to make changes to that list. Now moving over toward the left side of the interface, you'll see a set of 3 dots. These dots are just beside some profile icons, which represent the team members currently associated with your project. This is where you'll want to focus your attention next. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. By doing so, you're opening up a menu that provides options related to your project's team members. Once you've clicked the dots, you should see a list of all your team members associated with this particular project. This list is your overview of who is contributing and collaborating on the tasks at hand. To remove someone from this list, and consequently from your project, you'll need to take a couple more simple steps. Look for the specific team member you wish to remove. To the right of their name, you'll find a drop-down arrow. Clicking this arrow will reveal several options, one of which is Remove from the project. This is your go-to option for taking someone off your project team. Click Remove from the project, and just like that, they are no longer part of your current project setup. It's quite straightforward once you know where to look and what to click. With these steps, you can effectively manage and organize your Asana project team roster, ensuring only the necessary members are involved. Remember, keeping your project team relevant helps maintain clarity and can enhance productivity by having only the needed contributors on board. And that's all there is to it, a quick and efficient method to manage your team in Asana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.